In today's video, I'll show you how to send a voice message on Signal. First, open the Signal app on your device. Once on the home page, select and open the chat where you want to send the voice message. At the bottom of the chat, you will see a microphone icon. Tap and hold the microphone icon to start recording your voice message. Once you're done recording, simply release it and the voice message will automatically send. If you want to send an audio file already saved on your device, tap the plus sign at the bottom right. Then select File. Make sure to choose the audio section at the top so you can easily view all your audio files. Select the audio you want to send, then tap Send. And that's it. That's how you send a voice message on Signal.